I just got the Best Choice Products electric foot massager. It comes with a remote and a variety of programs. Here it is, and I want to go through the details on this incredible foot massager. To start off with, the remote and the massager itself have the same controls. You have your on-off. It'll turn it on. As you can see, it starts massaging immediately. It's very easy to slide your foot in and pull it out, and I'll show you that in a moment. If you hit auto, you can go through different modes. You have M1 for all reflex points. M2 is focusing on head, neck, lumbar, spine, and shoulders. And M3 is focusing on your intestines, liver, and stomach. That means that it is massaging you in a way that is believed to affect those parts of your body. And it shows here what they're focusing on in the massaging. And so to do that, you simply hit this auto button and we'll go through those three focuses. You can see that there. We go back to M1. And then down here, you can do it manually as well. You can hit manual and you can change your direction, your speed, and your time. So let me show you how this feels. Okay, I'm sliding my feet in. It's very easy to put your feet in and out of it. And it feels remarkably good. It has a variety of movements it's doing, and you can kind of move your foot around to hit different parts of your foot as you massage. But in the bottom, it actually has these little pieces that are going up like this underneath your foot. And then these side pieces kind of massage back and forth on both sides of your feet. And it really fits any size. I'm a 9.5 woman's foot, so I have a pretty large foot for a woman. And I can see that I still have a lot of space right now if I have my foot all the way back. And I can move it to different positions to massage different parts of my foot. So really is for any size foot. Fantastic massager. I just want to sit here now. And that is the Best Choice Products electric foot massager.